This right here is a Maisto 1/18 scale Range Rover Sport unboxing video. This is the new Maisto box, which looks pretty good. It's a little bit different than the previous one. Anyway, let's get started. Very nice looking model. There's quite a bit of tape on there. Looks like that just pulls out. Well, it looks like they don't have it on a base plate anymore. That's kind of interesting that they didn't do that. So it comes right out of the box. Very nice. Very, very nice looking model. I like it a lot. Let's see. I'm going to have to take this here. Oh, and you can actually pull that off. That comes right off there. And that's pretty much it. That's everything to the model. Right out of the box. It's looking very, very nice. Very nice model. Looks very detailed. I'm quite impressed with it overall. Front door's open. Back doors don't, unfortunately. Looks great. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments regarding this model, be sure to post in the comments section. I'll have a review coming out soon. And I might even do some custom work with the wheels, getting those repainted a darker color. I think that will look pretty nice. Anyway, thank you for watching.